So let's talk about something super simple, but honestly pretty profound. It's this question. Why do our own problems always feel so massive when we're right in the thick of it? You know that feeling, right? Well, it's universal. And today we're going to break down a really powerful psychological tool that can help you manage it. I mean, have you ever felt that? You're stuck wrestling with some challenge, and it feels like you're standing with your nose pressed right up against a giant painting. All you can see are the messy, chaotic brushstrokes. You can't see the masterpiece at all. Why? Because you're way too close to get any real perspective. And that feeling? That brings us right to our first section here, the overwhelming close-up. This is all about diagnosing that feeling of being totally and completely consumed by a problem. Okay, so this image here, this is basically what's happening inside our own heads. You see that intense, stressed out look? It's like our stress has its own camera lens, and right now, it is zoomed in like 100%. The problem just fills the entire frame. It looks huge, it looks distorted, and honestly, it's just completely overwhelming. It's literally all we can see.
But what if we could actually change the settings on that camera? Well, that leads us straight to the solution. Let's talk about the power of zooming out. And this is all about a simple, but trust me, transformative shift in perspective.
So the solution is to just pull back. I want you to imagine you're a documentary filmmaker for a second, or maybe even a fly on the wall, just watching the situation from a distance. Instead of that super tight, stressful close-up, you zoom out. You go for the wide shot. And what happens? Suddenly, that person and their problem, they're just one small part of a much, much bigger picture. And right away, it just feels so much more manageable. And look, this isn't just some neat little mental trick. There is real science behind why this works so well. It's a concept that researchers call the wisdom of distance. Okay, so this brings us to something fascinating called Solomon's paradox. And you'll totally get this. Have you ever noticed how easy, like so easy, it is to give your friend amazing, clear, wise advice, but then it's impossible to follow that exact same advice yourself? Yup, that's the paradox. And the research on this is clear. We are way, way better at solving problems when we have some emotional distance. That distance, that's the key. That's what unlocks our own hidden wisdom. I mean, just think about it for a second. When it's my problem, our thinking gets all emotional. It's cloudy. We feel completely stuck. But the second we look at a friend's problem, suddenly our perspective is objective, it's clear, and we can immediately see what they should do next. So by creating that distance for ourselves, we can start treating our own problems with that exact same clarity we so easily give to our friends. All right, so the big question, how do we actually do this? Let's get practical. This next section is all about a really cool technique, how you can become your own narrator. It's a super simple 3-step process. Okay, step 1, just notice the stressful thought or feeling as it's happening. Step 2, and this is the magic move right here. You switch from using the word I to using your own name. So instead of thinking, I am so overwhelmed, you'd say, your name is feeling overwhelmed. And then step 3, you just narrate the situation objectively, like you're the calm voiceover in a documentary about your life. And here are the exact questions to ask yourself to make this happen. Think of it like a kind of third-person journaling. It's designed to force you into that wise, objective advisor role. So you ask yourself, what is your name struggling with today? And then you follow that up with, what advice would you give your name right now? Seriously, just answering those 2 questions forces that shift in perspective. I know it might sound a little weird at first, but trust me, it works almost instantly. So if there is one thing, just one thing you take away from all of this, let it be this. Your wisest, your calmest, your most rational advisor, it isn't someone else. It's already inside you. It's the part of you that can just step back and observe. It's the fly on your own wall. And by practicing this simple zoom out technique, you can access that incredible wisdom whenever you need it. Like, subscribe, and share. Make sure to comment which subject you'd like us to cover next time.